Hey Gaten, let's talk valuations, shall we? It always brings a smile on my face when, having got to know the founders and got to know their products and service and how their operation is function, the level of completeness of their business, their offering, and so on, we get to the subject of valuation and what is your business worth. And again, that's also when the wheel falls off. Quite often founders will say, well, what do you think it's worth? Well, it's not my question to answer, but what I can tell you is give you a feedback on what you think it's worth. So here's some basic principles. If you haven't got a product and it's still in development, therefore you've got no market traction, product market fit isn't established, then you cannot go for a high valuation, despite the size of the market, despite the promises and the excitement. If you do have a finished product, and I see many of these, good product, good service, and there is clearly a community, there's clearly a lot of interest, you've got maybe some letters of intent, but you have no purchase orders, you have no inbound income. Yeah, so again, valuations can't be that high because to a certain extent, from an investor, you're unproven. And then we have product, service, version 1 may not be the best, but they've got orders, they've got customers, they've got revenue coming in, whether it's monthly reoccurring or one-time orders, and that's a stronger story. May not be the best products in the world, may not be the final product because you've got other versions to come, but you've proven, because you've got people willing to pay for your products and service, that you're investable. Therefore, your valuation can be bolder, not crazy, but bolder. And the final part of this is that investors want to know the state of the cap table, who's put the capital in, and how much capital has been consumed to this point. Fair question. And that will also guide you in terms of the valuation. If it's value per share, or what did the last investors come in at? What was the value of the business? 500k, 2 million, 10 million, whatever it is. Valuation. It can turn investors on, can turn them off. Talk soon.